So I want to start back juicing and I want to start back making smoothies. So I just want to let y'all know some things that I use to make my fruit and veggie juices. I have a Cuisinart juicer here. It's pretty good. Also, you'll need a strainer. So when you pour your juice that you filter out of here, you'll get some of the pulp out of it. I don't like a lot of pulp in mine. Also, I have some spinach here that I had to make my veggie juice. I have some cucumber here that I'm going to use as well. Also, I have some strawberries, peaches, and some nectarines. So I'm going to use all this fruit and veggies that I have here on hand at home. Tomorrow I may get more to make more. Also, I have these little containers here that I put them in. These are good. They are only $1 for 2 of them in Dollar Tree, so you can use these as well. If you already have mason jars or things like that at home, you can also use that as well. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to cut up the fruit and the veggies, get everything prepped, and I'll be back at you.
Where you going with your face? Dick standing up. Okay, flakes all shake, on me hammered up. Louis V, monogram print, bandana up. Dog leash, harness in the jeans, gon' add it up. Even on some boot schemes, with your boot thing, booty wing, pinky ring on the blink. I ain't had enough. Never had much grind hard out of bad luck.
So now I have everything chopped up. I got the strawberries, I got the nectarines and the peaches chopped up. I have the spinach here, as y'all can see. I have some cucumber as well. So what I'm thinking I'm going to do is just do strictly fruit, and then I'll do a strictly veggie one. So what you do now, alright, so what you're going to do, you're going to turn the machine on. Once you turn it on, you make sure that you open this up, because once you start putting your fruit in, the juice is going to start coming through here. But if this is closed, won't nothing come out. So make sure you turn this to open right here. Now you take this off, and what you do, you start putting your fruit in here. And y'all can see it's coming out like that. Put some strawberries in here. So this is how you make your juices. You can purchase one of these at different stores, Walmart, get you a juicer. Put the peaches and nectarines in here. Alright, and you can put as much as you feel like you need to make whatever you need. So now that I got it in there, I can close this and turn it off. That's true too. And as you can see, it didn't have much juice in it. It's a lot of pulp. So what I do is chop up some more and add some more in there. Alright, as you can see, it's not a lot of juice in here. It's a lot of pulp on top. So this won't be enough juice for me to drink. So what I'll do is I'll add some more strawberries inside of it to make more juice. And don't forget to open it up too as well. That way your juice, you see the juice going in there? See it's going through? Alright y'all, got my 2 juices. So in this one, it's cucumber, spinach, and grapes. And in this one is strawberries, nectarines, peaches, and a little bit of pineapple that I had in the freezer that I didn't want to go bad. I still have some more pineapple that I'll use later. So y'all can buy these little small things to put it in, and I can take one as I need it. This has more juice in it than this one, but it's still the same. It won't go to waste. So you can buy these little small things at Dollar Tree, fill them up with juice, and then you can take them for lunch. You can have them for breakfast, however you want to do it. Breakfast, you can do fruit. Lunch, you can do vegetables. So it just depends on how you want it.